Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of MAC product reviews, and this is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. The second product which I'm going to review is the MAC Studio Fix Concealer with SPF 35. The product is 7 grams. Looks like this. I know it's a little ugly or dirty, but I have used it many times. So this concealer from MAC, which is Studio Finish Concealer, it is a thick consistency and thick base concealer. It is no way like a liquid concealer. It is very thick, amazing in coverage. And let's read what they have to say. So yes, I am heading in the website and going to the product review in this, and let's see what it has to say. Okay, so I am not getting this product on the website right now. What I'm getting is Studio Finish Concealer Duo. It is the same thing, but it comes in 2 shades together, which looks like this, if you see here. I don't know the price here right now because the product is not showing on the internet, so I don't know what are the prices right now. So yeah, let me just read what it has to say. It is a lightweight, creamy, discreetly opaque concealer. Provides a smooth, long-wearing, invisible coverage for all skin blemishes. Water-resistant, fragrance-free, and non-acnegenic. This emollient base, a lightweight concealer, is so concentrated that a tiny amount can provide opaque coverage to skin's imperfections and discolorations. It effectively covers dark circles, blemishes, moles, tattoos, and birthmarks. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! And yes, I would second this statement, man. I really would, except for it that it is a lightweight. It's not a lightweight concealer at all. It is a little heavy on your skin, but it provides you extreme coverage, and yes, it works on all the blemishes, all the acne spots, everything. So the key claims and benefit says it's a long wearing 12 hours, resist creasing, color stays true for 8 hours, non-flaky for 8 hours, ophthalmologist tested. Like, I don't know what's that. Safe for contact lens wearers, and it's water resistant. Usage, it says apply with a medium to firm fiber brush, a sponge, or the fingertip. I would say that this works with a little bit of fingertips as well, but the best way to apply this is with a brush. Brushes are the best way to apply foundations. Sponge, yes it is, but it consumes a lot of product. Like, it drinks, it doesn't soak, it drinks your product. But yes, this is a concealer, so I don't think so that sponge can drink this hard concealer. So you can use a sponge as well over here, but yes, the best benefit that it is water resistant. It doesn't crease that early. It does, yes, it says that it doesn't, but it does a little bit, a very little bit. According to the consistency of this concealer, it doesn't crease that much. Like, you would feel that it's a chalky kind of a texture of this concealer. If I would apply this under my eye, it would crease a lot. No, it doesn't. It doesn't get into your lines. It doesn't crease that much, and it gives you a very high coverage. So, like, as I said in my previous video, that I have a MAC Mineralized foundation. I use it with this concealer to hide any of my flaws, and over this I go with this foundation, so I get a sheen and sheer look with a very light foundation as well as the coverage here. a smart decision. So to conclude this product, I would rate this 5 on 5. It gives me all the happiness in the world. I live by it. I love this concealer, and because I cannot take the same concealer in all my videos, I don't use this concealer. But believe me, if you give me an opportunity, I would use this concealer every single time when I do my makeup. So we come to an end to this video, and see you in part 3. Bye.